Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. A. 837 plus 208 plus 363. So solution here, suitable rearrangement. So student, you cannot add directly, you have to do suitable rearrangement. So what is suitable rearrangement? It means how can we make it simple. Okay, now find the two numbers, the sum should be equal to like 0. So see, 7 and 8 15, it is not 0. 7 plus 3 10. Why we are taking 0? Because it is comparatively to easy. Okay, it will be easy. So suitable rearrangement like that, 837 plus 363 plus 208, it will be 1200. So 1408 is answer. Part B, same thing. What can we do? See, at the unit place 2 3 5 2 8 10 0, it means we will do, now you can add and get the answer. So sum of these two and sum of these two. So here we are getting 3500 plus 1100, it is our answer. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Again we have to do here suitable rearrangement. So suitable rearrangement in the multiplication or product, we have to multiply those number which will give like 10, 100, like that. So it is 1768 into 50 to the 100. So it is 176800. So again 166 into 100. So the answer is 16600. Part C. So here suitable rearrangement is, so 125 into 8, it will come 1000. So 291 into 1000. So the product of these two will come 291 and 000. It is simplest way. Now part D, suitable rearrangement, what we will do? Now multiply and solve. See here we are getting 279 multiply by 10,000, so it will come, it is our answer. Now remaining two parts, E and F. Part E. What is the suitable rearrangement? Here you can multiply simply 5 into 60, otherwise 285 into 60, because 60 into 5 when you will do, it will come 6 5s are 30 and 300. Now 3 5s are 15, 20. It is our answer. Now F. So it will come 1000. Now 1. This implies that what will come? 30. Then again 30. It is our answer. Question number 3. Find the value of the following. In the question this time it is not telling that by suitable rearrangement. So you can solve directly. Otherwise you can do suitable rearrangement. Otherwise you can apply the general rule. Okay, to make it simplest. See A. So what can we do here? We can take 297 as a common. So the product 297 into 20, our answer. Part A is over. Now part B, what can we do here? Once again you can see 54279, 54279 is common. Now 54279 into 100, answer. See here again one thing is common, this number is common. So you will take as a common 81265 in the bracket 169 minus 69. So 81265 into 100, because 169 minus 69 it will come 100. So just use 20 is our answer. Okay. Now part D. Here we can see we can take 5 as a common. So take 5 as a common. After that we will multiply, because here we have 3845 3000. So when you will multiply 769 into 5, it will come 3845. See. Okay. Now you can see this time this number is common. So if you know the solution, directly you can multiply and directly you can take as a common. So 5 into 3845. So see, this is our answer. Find the product using suitable properties. So properties, it means distributive properties, distributivity can apply. See what can we do? A, 738. Now you can multiply. So now what we have to do? Just add. So it will come, this is answer. Part A is over. Now part B. Similarly we can do part B also. 854, it is 102. So 100 plus 2, 854 into 2. This is our answer for this one. In part C, 258. So simply 258,000. So it will come. So this one is our answer of part C. See part D. We can break 1000 plus 5, then multiply 168. Now this is our answer. Question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? It means first we will try to find the total petrol he filled in the tank. So here you can see total means on Monday and on next day. So total petrol, it is 40 plus 50, it is equal to 90 liter. So how much did he spend? Cost of the petrol, cost of petrol, it is given in the question 44 rupees per liter. Okay, it means 1 liter 44 rupees. It is 90 liter multiplied by 44. Now you can do like that. Look here, 40 plus 50 directly you can solve, multiply by 44. So again same thing, it will come 90 into 44 and you can find the answer. Question number 6. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? So simplest, just you can use your own language. I will give here the solution. here you can do, see the total milk 32 plus 68. What is the cost of 1 liter? Multiply by 45. It is 100 into 45. So this implies that 4500. Okay, this is our answer. Question number 7. Match the following. Okay, match the following. So see the first part, 425 into 136 equal to 425 into 136 is distributed. Okay, so distributed, which one is distributed? C, distributivity of multiplication over addition. So first one for C. Here I am writing also C. Now second, 2 into 49 into 50. Just it is changing the order, means commutativity under multiplication, because all are in multiplication. So second is A. Okay, second is A. Now only one is remaining, so the remaining third is B. Commutativity under addition. So here we completed all the questions of this exercise. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel EduTerra.